Hey guys, this is my Launch Course homepage. Whenever I open my Launch Course, I always check the announcements at the top of the screen. My teacher lets the whole class know about upcoming assignments and reviews things I might not have understood the first time. I like how she posts her office hours so I know when she's available for a video conference chat or a quick inbox message. Now I better check on the next assignment that's due. So I'm going to go to the modules page. Here I get to see my assignments and due dates and keep up to date. Okay, first I'm going to watch a video. And then write a response to the discussion board. Once I post my response, I can see what my classmates thought about the video and reply. I also have quiz assignments in my Launch Course, and bigger projects like worksheets, papers, and presentations. Here, let me show you. Like I mentioned earlier, communicating with my teacher is very easy. If I ever have a question, I just shoot her a message in Canvas inbox, and she gets back to me quickly. That's her. Hang on. So that was about my grades. My teacher is also amazing about grading my assignments and providing me with feedback. So that was a walkthrough of my launch class. You can set up yours at fueledbylaunch.com.